Welcome back. In today's session, we will see the package in Java. What is package? Package is like a container, folder, directory where we save different files. Now, using package, what we can achieve by using different folders for storing Java programs, what will be helpful to us while developing a project. Now, simply suppose we know that we save our Java programs in the Java JDK bin. Let's see if I write program like java.io.star, something Java program I have, and if I want the name of this file should be suppose x.java only. Now, suppose it means this error means this warning is given because x.java already exists. Do you want to replace it? It means your bin folder or package directory is having already x.java file. But I want the same name for this Java program as x. But we are not able to save the file in the bin package only, because if we do so, the existing Java file will be replaced by this new file. It means in one folder we cannot have file with the same name. But sometimes we need to have the name to be common for the programs. For example, if computer branch project or if college branch project is there, the computer discipline will be known as a discipline or branch. The mechanical discipline or branch will be known as a discipline or branch. So in computer, I will have the class name as a branch or class name as a first year, second year, third year. Same way, I will use the name for first year, second year, and third year in the mechanical, electrical, other branches too, because we want the same name for that particular record. So, using one package or same folder directory, we cannot have multiple files with the same name in one directory. So, what will be the solution for that? Simply, in the bin directory, we can create one folder where I can save my this file. In this bin I have created P package. So in P package I will have file with the same name. Now this is not given any error. It has saved the file in the P folder. So this is use of package. Package means folder, directory. So in bin package I have created P package where I have same name file. So this is one benefit of using package. So using package you can have more than one classes with the same name. Using package we can reuse the class. It means suppose in this bin, under this bin p package I have x.java file, and I want the functionality of this x.java file to be used in another program which is available under this bin directory in this add.java file. So I can use that code of x.java in this add.java file. So using class properties from one location into another class which is available at another location is possible using package. We know that one class property can be accessible in another class, that is with the help of inheritance, but till now we have seen the inheritance program in the one big code only, in big program only, in the same program only. So we can have the reusability of code by using package concept as well. Package is the way to hide the functionality. We can hide our project or functionality or code with the help of package or folder. We can separate our design from the coding. Let's see further what are the types of package. There are basically two categories. First one is predefined package, which is also known as a system defined or built-in package. Second category is user defined package. Under this predefined or system defined or built-in package which is given by the Java library, all the built-in packages comes under Java library, that are language package, IO package, util package, AWT package, net package and applet package. We have six packages. What are the purposes of this Java Standard Library JSL or Java API, that is Application Programming Interface? This Java API or Java Standard Library JSL is nothing but the library of Java, which is nothing but the collection of packages of Java. So, this java.lang package, that is language package, consists of classes like string, thread, math, exception, integer, double, etc. These classes are having methods for language support properties. Java.util, it is a utilities package which consists of classes like vector, arrays, date, scanner, etc. Java.io package, it consists of the classes like data input stream, reader, writer, etc., which is giving functionality of input output. Java.awt, that is abstract window toolkit, and it is useful for designing a graphical user interface. Java.net, that is networking package, which is used for performing the networking application. Java.applet, it is used for creating a applet which will be opened on the browser. Now, what are the ways of accessing a package? There are two ways. If you know the name of particular class and if you want only that class and its method to be accessible in your Java code, you can write import java.packagename dot name of the class semicolon. Or second way, we can use asterisk operator. It means java.lang.star. It means it will include all the classes and its all methods which are available under java.lang language package. Now, this was about predefined packages. Now we will see how to create user defined package so that it will be useful for code reusability and how we can hide the classes. Let's see how to create user defined code, user defined package. For creating user defined package means we can, of course, class means in class we write the functionality. Some operations we want to perform inside the function. So for that we may need to have the input output functionality. So we will have this line, but if you want to create your own package, your first line of notepad editor should start with the package keyword, and here you should give the name for this package. Suppose I am giving pp, and here if you want to access input output function, you can import that package over here. Now I will write a class. Suppose I want class name should be like xx. Here I am using one function as void, suppose show function, which is, or suppose area function, and square class. I am writing square class where I am writing one functionality area which performs the task of reading value of site from the user, for which we will need to create object of data input stream class in bracket system dot in. Here I am giving a message to user that enter side of square. So we will read the value of side into variable, suppose int s. S is equal to integer dot parse int in bracket d dot read line, and we will calculate the area of square and we will display that area of square. Writing a package means we are writing one functionality so that it will be used by some other program. So it means I have one functionality with name area, which is performing the job of calculating area of square, and this functionality is available under class square. So I have created my own library, correct? So I want to provide this library to be used by other code of the Java program. This library is not self executing, so if you can observe here, there will not be public static void main function in under the package code. Main function should not be written in the package file because it is not executing for self. It is created for providing service to the other code, service to other Java code. So now we will save this file with the name of the class. So as we have to make sure that our service is error free, so we have to compile this code by saving under bin directory with the name of class like square dot java, because in bin our compiler is available. So we will compile our code under bin as square dot java. So what we see over here, few errors are there: integer, spelling mistake, and now code is compiled. It means there is no error in our square.java file. But I cannot run this Java square package file. Why? Because in my square program there is no main function, because it is not performing job for their self. They are providing service to other. So we need to write one more code. Now once your package is compiled and having no error, we have to move this square file to the pp folder, because we have mentioned that this square Java program is available under package which name is pp. So come to the jdk bin. Under bin, by right clicking, create a new folder with the name pp, which is you have given in your Java code. Give the same name pp to your folder pp. Here we have to move our from this bin folder, move your square.java file and square.class file. Copy this file and go to pp folder or package and paste your files over here. So which logically makes sense over here. It means under this pp package over here, we have class square dot java and class file compiled file, which is providing service of calculating area of square. Now we will write one more code where we can make use of this square code. So I am writing new code. Suppose import java.io.star. I have one class p use, suppose, where I have main function, because this is self-running program. Here I am performing suppose particular task of printing any job or anything else, or you have a big project to implement, you may have, suppose here I have performed my task. Now I want the functionality over here to calculate the area of square. Now, for calculating area of square here, I need to declare object of data input stream. I need to create a function. I need to read side value, calculate and display the answer. If as a programmer, I know that that package is already I have created for another project. So I can use that here. So I have to import that my package, import. Now our user defined package doesn't come under Java. So we have to write import our pp package dot our class name was square, or you can write pp dot square, or you can write instead of square you can have star, whichever you feel okay. Now I have to use, it means I have imported pp package, that is library having all classes and all methods in that folder. Now I want to calculate area of square. If I have imported a package, then I should create object of square class here, because I need to call a function. So I have created object of square class and I am calling the method area by using object of square class. And after that, suppose I want to print by, I am printing that close main close class. We will save this puse file under regular java bin like puse dot java. We will save this file and we will see whether this code is executable error free or not. Java c puse dot java. Let's see what error we get. See, it is asking that throws exception spelling is wrong, so we have corrected it. Now what is the next error? It is showing that cannot access square from our folder, because if you can see over here, this square.java have a square class which is not declared as a public. So we will declare square class as a public because we are accessing the functionality from pp location to bin location. Correct? Because this square file is available under pp folder and this puse file is available under bin folder. So we have declared class as a public and this area function should be declared as a public. So save the code and again compile the code. Now what it is showing, it is giving an error like cannot access square. Make sure, okay, after changes we have just made sure it is saved. So under bin we have square.java file, we have saved that file. Now we have to go to the bin folder and we have to copy the updated file of square.java and .class file from bin folder and paste it to our pp folder because we have made the changes. Now let's see what error we get over here after compiling. Now it is showing that please remove or make sure it appears in the correct directory of the class path. Now in the code, we have declared the area method as a public, class as a public, and we have this under the pp. And in puse file, we are importing a pp package and mentioning that we want to access the square class. If we get same, sorry, we have to now see, we have mentioned the name of class over here. It has given no error as we have compiled the java c puse.java file. Now if we run java puse file, because it is having main function, so obviously we will run that file java puse. It is showing welcome, enter side of the square, so I have given 4, area of square is calculated and the message is displayed. So specifically mention the name of the class in front of your package name, which will be very specific to access the file and to make create the object of that class. So it means we have created a pp folder in which we have a square functionality in square.java file, which we have accessed under another java code having name as a puse java file, which is available at different location in the bin folder. So we are using properties of one class from one location to another location. This is the use of creating package in the Java. So we have seen about package concept, which is known as a Java standard library, which is a folder directory consisting of classes or Java code. Why there is a need of creating a package? Because in one package we cannot have files with the same name. We are using reusing the code with the help of inheritance in the same code. But if we want to reuse the code which is available at different location from our current location, then we can do that with the help of package. Advantages of packages: we can have multiple files with the same name in the different folders. We can access the functionality from one location to another. We can hide the classes in the package by declaring that classes as a private. It means that class or functionality is available, but we don't want to disclose it to the rest of the code. We can declare that class as a private. It means in one package you can have more than one classes, and if you want to hide the functionality of one class, you can declare that class as a private. Let's see, in your package pp package you have public class square, and suppose I have class, I want one more class. I have one class, suppose well, where I want to just write one function as a show, which will display message as a welcome message, which will display only welcome message. Okay, now I am declaring this class as a public, and now you will be confused. In pp folder we have two classes. If there is only one class in the notepad, we can save the java file with the same code. But now here are two classes. So by which name we can save the file, by square or by well? Because this package does not consist of main method. So what to do? But I want both the square and well class under same pp folder. Now what is the solution? You can copy this code of well file, create a new notepad file, and the first line should be package pp only, and you can have your regular package of IO. It means what happens? You have well class in pp folder. We will have to save this file under bin well.java. We will compile the code java c well.java. It is showing no error. It means our package well class is error free. So we will copy the well.java and well.class file from bin, and we will paste that into the pp package. So we have two services in the p package, pp package, correct? Now suppose in use Java, we are writing pp dot square, and again if I want the well class to be used in this package, and if I mention so, I have to create object of well class as well. Well w is equal to new well, and I will call w dot show method, which is displaying welcome, right? In this well we have a show method, so I have written that in puse file. Let's compile our puse file code now. Java c puse dot java, having no error. Run java puse. Welcome, welcome. Enter side of square 2. Area of square is by 4 and by. If you have seen over here, after welcome, the okay, here I have written enter side of square and area of square. In puse file, we have welcome at the beginning. Now, before calculating area of square, I have asked to call show method, which should display the welcome message on the screen. So we have seen this welcome message is displayed. So well package is working. Sorry, a well class is working. Now, if I want to hide this well class, which is available in the p package, I can simply remove this public keyword. Let's see what happens. So I have made changes in the well class. So I have to compile the well class again. There is no error. So we have to go to the bin. We have to copy the well.java and well.class file from bin, paste it to the pp folder because we have done changes. Now run the puse file again. Now see what it is showing. It is showing that we have imported well package but cannot access well class. Why? Because we have declared well class without public access specified. So it is not accessible out of pp folder. So it is accessible only in pp folder all the Java program, but we are accessing the well class in the puse Java file, which is available under the bin folder. So two different locations are there, and we have not given access specifier, so it has become default. So it is accessible only in pp folder but not in the bin folder. So by using this way, we can hide the classes by using the package concept. So we have seen how to create user defined package and how to hide class using package concept. Hope you have understood the concept of package. See you in the next session. Thank you.